In this video, I will show you how you can set up voicemail on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. From this menu, just go to Settings. Now under the call settings, just scroll down and tap on voicemail. And from here, just tap on voicemail number. Now in this section, just enter your voicemail number. Now if you do not know your voicemail number, you can contact your carrier provider and they will tell you the number of the voicemail. Now in our case, it is this number. Now just tap on OK. Now if you're using two SIM cards on your phone, the option for voicemail number will be separate for each SIM card. So just enter the number separately for each SIM card from here. Now after you do that, then just go back and in the dialer, just tap and hold on number 1. And after you do that, then you will be given a few instructions given by your carrier provider to set up your voicemail greeting. For example, it might say press 1 to record your voicemail greeting and press the hash button to stop recording. Now, in that case, just press number 1 to start your recording, and once you're done recording your greeting, just tap on the hash button to stop recording. Now just follow the instructions given through the call to set up the voicemail on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.